Hi there, and welcome. Our cities depend on safe, reliable roads, but keeping track of road conditions is a constant challenge. Traditional road monitoring methods are expensive, time-consuming, and often inefficient. That's where Road System comes in. Road System is a smart, efficient solution that makes monitoring road infrastructure simple and precise. With the Road System mobile app, you can easily collect data while driving. The app automatically detects and records road issues with high accuracy. The AI is able to detect transverse, longitudinal, alligator cracking, and potholes. All information is instantly available in the Cloud Administrator dashboard, where city managers can visualize, analyze, and prioritize maintenance efforts in near real time. Administrators can also easily export the collected data and import it into their preferred tools. This means faster decisions, smarter resource use, and better roads for everyone. Try Road System today and start building a safer infrastructure.